How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is the exact levels I'm watching and how I'm going to trade them. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. I don't have a whole lot for us this week. Keep in mind, to my knowledge, the market is closed on Wednesday for Juneteenth. So this 537 area is the only bounce area I have on SPY, ticker SPY. This is our go-to, and you can trade options or you can trade ES futures based off this level. This is a nice hourly. You can see it on the 4 hours well support. So 437 area for a bounce. If we lose that, ideally we come down, catch a nice trade, profit nice, come back down. If we lose it, shorts look decent once we get back into this range. We do have room down to this 532. Now, if we make a new all-time high, I'm going to be looking for the same thing that happened here. Let me zoom out a little. Yeah, same thing that happened right here. We broke, retested that area, continued on. So we need a break, retest, call entry, continue on. That's what I'm looking for on SPY this week. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. These levels are very clear. The risk is well defined. If we lose these key levels once we enter, we know, it's time to stop out, move on to the next trade, which is, it's okay. Losing trades are okay. They're part of the game. You just have to be sure you manage them right. Do not hold for hope. Once that trade's invalid, it's time to move on. No hard feelings. Let it go. Journal it and move on to the next winning trade. Here are my SPX levels. Nothing's really changed. This 5400 has been a key area. We can't quite get down to it. I started to take this trade here yesterday, and it bounced about 2 points before I was going to enter. So I missed that. But this 5400 is going to be the key level. And below that, I don't have anything for a while. You can see the levels better on SPY in this case. Next support I can really see clearly is at 5324. Next up, QQQ. Stick around. I want to talk about a individual after this, so be sure to stick around for that. So QQQ, the only clear support I see is this 565.5. Looks good for a possible bounce for calls or NQ longs for the futures traders out there, or if you like me and trade both. We're starting this trend. You can see we've developed this trend line here on the hourly. We could possibly look for a bounce off this, trying to enter off a higher low for the uptrend entry. It's very possible. If you enter this off the hourly, we lose this level, have an hourly close below, the trade would be invalid. But ideally, we want to catch it off a nice reversal candle. And if I'm trading the hourly time frame, you probably don't want to be trading same day expiration if you're trading off the hourly. We can go to the 5 minute, take a look at this. It is very possible to trade off the 5 minute, but the better moves have been coming with the higher time frames on QQQ. I've noticed. That being said, I prefer trading SPY, SPX, ES over QQQ, NQ any day of the week. Just my edge. Now let's talk about a swing trade we finally got to enter. Remember when we talked about Shopify, ticker SHOP? Let's go to the 5 minute, to the hourly. Let's go to the hourly here. So let's look at the 4 hour. So we knew he was watching this. This is a big daily gap here. And there was another daily gap down here. So he was looking to short this or go long here, basically. Let me show you that. The daily, for those that did not watch that, you see this big daily gap. This is where I wanted to get calls and catch this move up. I mishandled this trade a little. I don't know. I just put on very small size for some reason. I don't know, what I was thinking, but I kept my size light. This is one of them trades where I wish I had put on normal size. I can tell you what happened. I had a little early entry. I meant to add to it once it got into that gap, and I let the market close before I could. So, congrats to those who caught this. This was posted inside Team Bull. Contracts moved really nicely. We went with the 65 strike with the July 19th expiration. Our first trim was, right at $100 per contract. I told everyone next trim up here around 68. A lot of people took full profit though on that first trim, which is okay. If that's part of your plan. Me personally, I like to let my swing trades run a bit more. We have, more time on expiration. And I entered some NVIDIA call leaps last week. So I'm interested to see how them do as well. That is all for this video. I hope you all have an amazing week trading. Hope it's life changing. Be sure, always be putting in the work, learning. Focus on learning high income skills. One income is never enough. Do not limit yourself to just day trading alone. Plenty of other opportunities out there. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.